The mental toughness, I think, when you look at the guys that are very successful, you have to have something within yourself that's going to allow you to just stick everything on the line. People think that it's a careless act. It's not something that you're being careless about. You're taking every possible thing that you can to be the best you can, knowing that there's a definite risk involved. You're putting all that equation together to not only be safe, but you got to be fierce on the track to win races.